Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Churro Cheesecake. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need Crescent Dough, cream cheese, sour cream, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, cinnamon, sugar, eggs, and pan baking spray. Begin by adding 3 packs of softened cream cheese to a bowl. Add a half cup of sour cream. Next, add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Add a half cup of sugar. Add 3 eggs. Add a half tablespoon of vanilla. Add a half tablespoon of cinnamon. Mix the ingredients until smooth. In a bowl, add a half cup of sugar and a half tablespoon of cinnamon. Spray a baking dish with baking spray. Cover the bottom of the dish with the cinnamon sugar. Roll out the crescent dough and cover the bottom of the dish. Next, add the cheesecake mixture. Add the crescent dough to the top. Spray the dough with baking spray. Cover the dough with the rest of the cinnamon sugar. Bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Refrigerate the cheesecake for 3 to 4 hours. And there you have it, Churro Cheesecake. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.